Hey, Laura. Wow, you're not looking so good.
Thanks, Steve.
Ah, don't mention it. Speaking of good, Deb made these dumplings last night. Ever since we got back from our vacation, it's gone nuts with...
Wow.
Feeling better?
Yeah. Actually, I feel much better. So, what else do you guys do?
Hello, Laura's office.
Hey, hombre. Catch the game last night?
So, do you, work here now?
No, I was a little bit of an athlete myself back in high school.
Bill, I apologize. We already booked the conference room.
This is you before the boost, and this is you after the boost.
Here, let me show you something, okay? Oh, Cobra stance.
Let me show you this video. It's hilarious.
Yeah, junior varsity days. Miss them. Actually, I got ringworm, and they took me off the team.
He can't play the harmonica. He's a cat. He has paw.
Ricola Revitalizing herb drops help provide that little boost when you need it the most. Visit GetALittleBoost.com and play to win.